Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lost the clip for this thing, so I don't even know how I'm gonna I could probably tie it, but that looks okay. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, today I'm going to be doing a hair video. I have beads, some of them fell out, but let me tell you, I'm going to tell you the truth. They do fall out. Some people don't tell you, they just be doing their hair and they're like, oh, the beads are so nice and they don't fall out. They do fall out, so I'm here to tell you the truth. I also have some the gold wires in my hair. I did my edges, but today I am going to be doing styles you can do with your beads, hair with beads, or hairstyles you can do with hair with beads. I have had these beads for a while. They aren't knotless, but I don't like knotless because they get old really fast, and I named this video knotless, but girl, I'm trying to get them views this channel. If you guys don't know me from my old channel, actually know me, I still use it, but I'm gonna use it to upload reaction videos. I'm not gonna use it to do videos like this. Plus, I want to gain a different audience with what I'm posting. So today you're gonna see the different kinds of hairstyles that you can do with your hair. Before you watch this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, rate, subscribe, follow all my social medias, and yeah. Okay, so obviously the first hairstyle that you can do is hair down, parted down the middle. I think it looks really cute. It really gives you that goddess look. Mine are not even just because I didn't want the even look, because I don't want it to be all up here. This is the first look, so wear your hair down regular. Okay, so the next look, you're gonna need 2 rubber bands. I actually wore my hair like this the other day and I got a lot of compliments. The first thing you want to do is part your hair down the middle, of course, or however you want to do it, and then I twist it to the front of my face, so that when I'm, oh shoot, I did wrong. Okay, so twist it backwards so that the beads come in the front of your face. Then you can twist it how many ever times that you want the beads to long draping down here, or you want them to be up here like how I have it. And then you just put the rubber bands over it. I do it twice if I can get it twice, and I don't try to make it look like anything special. It's literally just it already looks nice, and some of them fall and I let it fall because I like the look it gives. So I'm gonna do the other one. Okay, so it's not really supposed to look perfect. It's the way that it looks, I feel looks nicer because it's not perfect, but you get to see the beauty of the beads. The beads are the accessory, so you don't have to make it look perfect. Plus, nobody's gonna know that it's not perfect because who cares? They're looking at your beads because they're so pretty. So yeah, this is the whole look. Okay, so I decided to voice over because the talking was way too bad with my mic, but this is the side over kind of ponytail look that I like to do. So I like to do the half side, I forget what it's called. Okay, so it's the swoop. So I like to do the swoop with the side ponytail. So basically you're going to part the swoop with your hands and then you're just gonna take it to the side of your head, whichever you prefer, and then the longer the side of your swoop is, the upper your beads are gonna look. So I know it looks a little messed up right now for me. I gotta fix it because that one braid, bruh. But yeah, I'm just putting it in a ponytail right now to the side. Okay, so you can see that I fixed it. My swoop looks a little bit better. I know it's not on my head like regular swoops look, but I have braids, so I gotta do the best I can do. But as you can see, I'm just taking the hair, some of the hair I have, and I'm wrapping it around the ponytail so that I can cover the rubber band. But I barely even covered it, but it's whatever, you get the process. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is part it down the middle, of course, and then you're going to take a small section on the side of your head and leave the back, so it's a half up, half down, but you're only going to take a little. And then you're going to need, I call it a rubber band, I'm sorry, a hair tie, whatever. You're going to need a hair tie, and then you're going to wrap the hair tie around the hair, Now I know that I like wrap my hair around the hair tie so that you don't see it, but with this look I don't think it's necessary because like it's just gonna look like a big glop and I don't like the way that it looks. But like I did with the last one, like just wrap it from behind your head and keep wrapping it over so the beads face front, and then you're just gonna put the other rubber band on top. And then I'm just fixing it in the mirror so that they look even, you know, side by side. They're not lopsided, but you know, it looks kind of lopsided here, so I'll come back. Okay, so this is the next look that I'm gonna do. It's a half up, half down bun. It's probably the easiest out of all of them. I just leave a little hair in the back just because I can't fit it all in one bun. But if you do want to put it all in one bun, I suggest that too if you like, if the beads aren't falling off on you or they're just not hard to put. But you know, I just wrap it around, nothing special, it's like a regular bun. And then I put the hair tie on it once. I believe if you can get it around another time, good for you. But like, this hair be thick. Like, you already see I'm struggling, like, girl, I'm fighting my hair. And then I broke the hair tie, so I had to get a new one. But yeah, just wrap your hair to your liking. It can be like a messy braid bun, or it can be like a pretty neat bun. I like to have it messy just because like I like the look of it. Like, I feel like the beads are supposed to do all the work for you. That's why they're there. And yeah, so that's the finishing look. Alright ladies, so this is the last look and it's just a half up, half down. I know, like normal, but like the beads make it look good, like and you can wear it to the side or whatever. But anyway, you're just gonna need a rubber band. I feel like this is self-explanatory. Take half of your hair, wrap it around. Don't break your hair tie, girl, because I already did that. And then you already see I'm struggling trying to get all the hair out. Okay, so then like once I get it into like the ponytail, I take some hair and I'm basically gonna wrap it around like the outside of the hair tie. And then there you go, that's the finishing look. I really like how the beads, like, it's like just a cute accessory at the top of your head. So cute. Okay, so that is the end of my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you did enjoy, be sure to give this video a like, thumbs up, rate, comment, and subscribe. Send this to all your friends, your side chicks, your side man. Just kidding. I mean, if you want, but I'm just saying, but like, you don't have to. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.